go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Caron. Not much of an unboxing. This is part of the Fragflex return haul. Fragflex return hauls is a gift that keeps on giving on the Robezoid channel, depending on who you are. But this, I feel like I didn't know, or I don't remember that Caron did an upper echelon line. I totally forgot that Caron revamped their whole line. They got recently purchased in the 2020s, brought in an in-house perfumier, Jean-Jacques. I just released a video a month ago about Caron Pour un Homme Le Matin, which was an outstandingly blended fragrance to a classic, a great flanker to a classic release. This one's called Santal Précieux and Precious Sandalwood. I am really looking forward to this. Jean-Jacques right now is 1 for 1 for me. This was released in 2021. Now, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for, right? Hit that subscribe button. I'm a rare breed. I'm going to tell you exactly how fragrances are, good, bad, and the ugly. I don't sugarcoat it. So if you have, if you see me as a fragrance reviewer that's just going to help you out in your journey and you're not going to be offended if I poo-poo your favorite fragrance, subscribe and smash the like button. Help me out. There's tons of influencers that are getting fake likes, they're buying likes, things like that. It's hard for a pimp out there. Much appreciated. To my returnees, much love to you. Let's take a look at the note breakdown. Let's see what we got here. And, you got that sandalwood, but I'm looking at like leather, labdanum, cumin, cinnamon, pink pepper, things like that surrounding the sandalwood. So that is interesting. The surrounding notes of sandalwood. Is the sandalwood going to be primary first and foremost, or is it just going to be a melange with a good sandalwood in the background? We don't know. Let's take a look at pricing. And this one is a pricey little devil. On the Caron website, it is $280 USD for 100 mil, which is this one right here, and $160 on Fragflex. So that's a really good discount on Fragflex. But again, as always, as a truthful fragrance reviewer, shop around if this seems interesting to you. Now, let's delve into it. Nice simplistic bottle. I like that they have the name of the brand here in the front and in the back. Even this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this cap has a hole in it. It was the actual atomizer that was peeking through it. Okay, so we'll put on strip first, and then we'll put it on skin, but not a bad atomizer, not the best, but not the worst in the game. Santal Précieux, Precious Sandalwood. Ooh, ooh. Is your wallet ready? What about your purse? Do you like sandalwood? Holy moly, this is good. One of the best sandalwoods in the game that I've smelt. Simplistic sandalwood, yes. So, not a complex sandalwood, right? There's a lot of sandalwoods out there that use like patchouli and rose, like there's rose in this note breakdown, that can really make it a more of a complex scent. This is not that. This is straight up sandalwood. And it is gorgeous. Woody, milky, creamy sandalwood, simplistic, but it has complex edges to it. You get the ELEMI in here as well. It's giving it its piney, lemony facets, but does not disturb the sandalwood facet. It's just amplifying it. Damn, Jean-Jacques. It's a name to remember. This guy is creating some great stuff here at Caron. Caron is it's a historic brand, right? All kinds of respect on the brand. I'm putting respect on the name. However, they've been releasing a lot of stuff. Obviously, they just paid for an in-house perfumier. They just bought the brand. They are going to start churning out new stuff, and they've been churning out a lot of stuff. I haven't, I've gotten a bunch of them in my, let's, sniff them out kind of list. Like, It's not a brand, you know, I own maybe 4 or 5 of their fragrances, give or take, but it's not a brand that I'm like, okay, blind buy, blind buy. No. And my list is so huge on purchasing or decanting or getting samples. It's just outrageous. So this and the Caron pour le matin, both super solid. Outstanding. This is outstanding juice. How much is it on Frag? 160? Deal. Oh yeah, is that good? Even at retail, 280? Okay, maybe you're pushing. Okay, Mark, you're pushing it. Not at retail. 160, a good sandalwood like this. This is authentic. When's the last time I smelled a sandalwood as good as this? Was Narciso Rodriguez Santal Musk. This is more sandalwood. Like Santal Musk had that sandalwood musky thing, right? The Narciso Rodriguez, but it was great. It was authentic to the T. This is just as authentic. Much more woody, right? Which kind of makes sense. Sandalwood, they would be most, but you know, it has a little bit of those. It's classy. It's beautiful sandalwood, and you know, like a good sandalwood, you all know what a beautiful sandalwood smells like. It's very smooth. This has a little bit of that, almost kind of cedar-like, right? And that could be from the ELEMI. A little bit of those spices coming through, like the pink pepper and the cumin. Don't worry, cumin's not funky. Maybe a little bit of leather. This is nice. But it is a straight up simple sandalwood. So everything else just eases off. Man. It's rare for me on these Fragflex hauls. Like I've done this a few times that it was just like, I don't want to decant it. I just want to, you know, just take this, turn off the camera and put this on my shelf. Maybe they won't notice. It's funny, but it's not. Well, so out of this review, for me, first of all, this is great. Highly recommended by me. Like if you're looking for a simple, straightforward sandalwood, now you may already have one in your collection. This won't do anything much more different than that. And you only need one, unless you're like me and you need several of these that have like small little facets that are different. I like well-built perfumes. And you could tell, like right away. Like when I smelled this, I was like, well, yeah, this is good. This is so good. Such a good sandalwood. So my sandalwood fiends that are out there that are watching this, I'm going to put it in the thumbnail, right? You know, I don't know what I'm going to put in, but I got to get you to click because you need to sniff this if you're a sandalwood fan. This is gorgeous. And for 160 on Fragflex with my coupon code, like Le Male Elixir is that price. There's no choosing here. So out of this review, Caron is a serious brand again. I need to start sniffing their newer stuff that Jean-Jacques has done. I gotta go on, and I told myself that on Le Matin when I smelt that one. I need to go on either Fragrantica or Parfumo and kind of start looking at what Caron has done since Jean-Jacques has been their in-house perfumier. I want to see how, this is a line, I know that for sure. I know there's a couple of these, at least 3. There might be more. I need to see if there's some that are in my wheelhouse. Is there an amber one? Is there a tobacco one? Is there a leather one? If there is, I might go on decant sites, honestly, and see. I don't think it's blind buy, but I think it would be interesting. Yeah, this is good. Really good. So highly recommended by me. Santal Précieux by the House of Caron. Now that you're my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. I don't know if anybody has even spoken about Santal Précieux. I might be the only one on YouTube. If I am, congratulations. You're getting a really positive review from probably one of the hardest fragrance reviewers in the game. And that's not a small task. So hopefully it gets more eyes on your brand and on this particular fragrance because it's well worth it. This is a good sandalwood. And I can't wait to see if anybody has smelt this. If you have smelt this line and the others from this line, shoot them up in the comments. You know what to do. Good, bad, and the ugly. Let us know. As always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.